Welcome to another episode of Mathellennials, and we are here to provide you step-by-step tutorials on mathematics all in one channel. Today, we will be discussing examples of definite integrals. Before we move to the examples, we will provide an example first to explain the third property of definite integral from the previous video that you can watch by clicking that I button. We have here the third property of definite integral, wherein f of x dx is to be evaluated from a to b is equals to the f of x dx to be evaluated from a to c plus f of x dx to be evaluated from c to b, wherein a is less than c and c is less than b. And the sample problem is to evaluate the integral of the absolute value of x squared minus 9 dx from 0 to 4. And since the function is in absolute value, there are positive and negative functions. The positive function is to be used when the x is greater than or equal to 3. The negative function is to be used when x is less than or equal to 3. To solve this, we are going to apply the third property, wherein a is equals to 0 from here, b is equals to 4 from here, and c is equals to 3 from here. We rewrite the integral as the integral of negative x squared minus 9 dx. We use the negative function since 0 to 3 are values less than and equal to 3, plus the positive function x squared minus 9 dx since 3 to 4 are values greater than and equal to 3. We now apply definite integration, wherein it becomes negative quantity of x cubed over 3 minus 9x to be evaluated from 0 to 3 plus quantity x cubed over 3 minus 9x to be evaluated from 3 to 4. We plug in the values of the limits into the equations, starting with the first using the limits 0 and 3, and to the second using the limits 3 to 4. The equation becomes 3 cubed over 3 minus 9 times 3 plus 0 cubed over 3 minus 9 times 0 quantity plus 4 cubed over 3 minus 9 times 4 plus 3 cubed over 3 minus 9 times 3 quantity. The second term becomes 0, and then we simplify the equations until we arrive at the answer, and the final answer is 64 over 3. Before we end this video, we would like to know if you have really understood definite integrals. So it's quiz time! Given this problem, the integral of the absolute value of x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x dx to be evaluated from 0 to 4, given that the values of x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x is positive when x is greater than or equal to 2 and negative when x is less than or equal to 2. You are given 10 seconds to solve this problem before we show you the solution. Time's up! Comment first your answer. No skipping through the video. I see you! And the answer to this problem is... Did you get it right? Comment down below your answers or questions about this topic. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. And comment down below your suggestions on what topic will we discuss in our next videos. Bye!